is CES 2026 here in Las Vegas, where global tech giants unleash mind-blowing innovations to solve our toughest problems and shape the future. I'm here to spotlight the very best. Let's get started.
Hi everyone from Las Vegas, and I am here at the CES 2026 and I am attending the entire week. So yes, CES goes for 4 days. I am gonna attend every single day to check out the newest, the most innovative tech that we are all gonna see at the 2026. So I am here with Abok and they are launching with the biggest power station I personally ever seen and ever reviewed in my entire life, because this thing is a beast.
Abok's lineup covers it all, from small portable power stations to some of the most powerful systems in the industry. They even have ultra-high power solutions for heavy-duty work, full home backup, and professional use. The ARC series really shows off that depth and versatility. This is Abok ARC 7200 Plus, and as an engineer, the numbers alone already tell a story. We are talking about 9,792 watt-hours of capacity. This is massive, guys. That's the biggest I have ever reviewed and seen, honestly, in real life. Then it has 7,200 watts of rated output on 240 volts, and it's an industrial-grade hardware which is designed for real-world use, not just emergency phone charging. Obviously, it's IP54 waterproof, and we can all see a proof to that because it is located inside of a pool with literally fountains running all around it. That means it is protected against dust and water splashes, and Abok is actually demonstrating that live here at the CES. This isn't don't get it wet equipment. It's designed for outdoor work, job sites, and unpredictable conditions. Capacity-wise, it starts at 9.8 kilowatt hours, but what really matters is scalability. You can expand this system all the way up to 29.3 kilowatt hours, which puts it firmly into full home backup territory. For critical use cases, it supports ultra-fast UPS switching under 10 milliseconds, which is essential for medical devices or sensitive electronics. It also uses Laifen PO4 batteries rated for over 4,000 cycles. So this is a long-term infrastructure, not a disposable battery. Despite all that power, it can run in a silent mode under 30 decibels, quieter than a library, which makes it realistic for indoor use, even in bedrooms with CPAP machines or overnight backup. Charging is equally serious. It supports hybrid solar input, combining high voltage and low voltage PV, and intelligently supplements with AC or car charging when solar alone isn't enough. This is clearly designed as part of a larger energy system, not a standalone gadget. And that's really Abok's biggest vision. They are moving toward a complete home energy ecosystem. The ARC 7200 Plus is the centerpiece. This is industrial-grade portable energy, and CES 2026 is exactly the right place for its global debut.
So I am an engineer and I am a mom to a toddler. So I ever walk by kids tech without checking it out. So this is a speedpace. It's like a little robot which is interact with kids and makes your kids to watch less TV.
Hi, I'm speedpace. I've got a square face, a crooked smile, and 2 yellow ears, always curious and full of energy. I'd love to come home with you. I can tell stories, sing songs, and play fun games with you.
Hi. Can you tell me a little bit more about this little type of robot?
See this little robot designed for kids 3 to 8. The kids usually can immerse themselves in the story, maybe talk to the character, play the story, play music, and do anything. When we choose the game, wow, it flutters. Any subject, maybe this one, and this will give some feedback.
Oh my God, I love the little wings. It's so cute. Carry this around just like a little purse. My baby girl, she's 3 years old. She'll definitely gonna love this stuff.
Yes.
Awesome. I would love my toddler to learn some new things.
This one
The
question.
answer is B. With 3 big horns on its head, this dinosaur is very proud. Can you guess which dinosaur it is?
So this is like a little robot that interacts with the kids, and that's why it's called interactive player.
Yeah.
And I absolutely love it. So you have different types of crafts. All the crafts are magnetic. So you have interactive craft. This one gonna interact with your kids. Music craft. Then you have imagine craft. And you have a classic craft. I would love something like that for my daughter. She will definitely love this. She will carry this around everywhere. I already see her little hands play with that all day long. Snow White, my favorite. Talk back to you.
Yes.
And the talking works on AI technology?
Yes.
Look, they even got a Pinocchio. And his nose can grow as he lies. So with Make Your Own Card, you can define through the app different things. For an example, you can record your own voice and even add pictures of yourself. This is a fun way for kids to create their own stories and keep family memories alive. Idea to make something like that.
Actually, we have been in education for 17 years. As that age 3 to 8 is a very critical age for imagination, language, and social skill, include expression. One, the interactive player for kids, so they can immerse themselves in the story while playing.
There's the link to the Amazon and to the official website where to buy these down below at the description box. So be so very sure to check it out.
So guys, I am here with Laifen, the most favorite toothbrushes and hair dryers brand. I am using their hair dryer and Laifen's toothbrush for about 2 years right now. The toothbrush I use is the very first Laifen Wave that launched a few years ago, and this is my to-go toothbrush and it works the best for me. I literally cannot ever switch to any other toothbrush. Now the hair dryer is amazing. I use it on my toddler and I use it on myself almost every single day, and their quality is absolutely amazing. So I am here at the Laifen's booth today to check out and to see what are the innovations that we all are going to see in 2026. So some products are going to launch summer 2026, some products are going to launch in a month, in a few months, and I will keep you all updated. You're welcome to check all the information down below at the description box to this video of mine. So guys, let's get started. Now, me and my toddler, we both use Laifen's hair dryers, and the new technology that Laifen brings to the 2026 is the Laifen Swift 4. This is an advanced high-speed hair dryer featuring a powerful 4th gen 115,000 of RPM motor for ultra-fast drying. Now, the outstanding feature is a special nourishing nozzle that uses optional essential oil pods for hair treatment during drying. You're just simply applying the essential oil on the pod. It's magnetically attached to your hair dryer, and as a result, it is delivering a salon quality care with smooth styling and low noise. They even put me in a chair and did like a slow motion for me. It was really fun to see myself on this huge big screen. Now the next thing they're launching is the Laifen Mini, and it is a highly praised travel size hair dryer known for its compactness. It only weighs 299 grams. Yes, it also has a powerful airflow of 110,000 RPM motor, and it's fast drying. Now you can see, comparing to the regular model, it's really smaller and it fits easily in your hand, and it's best for traveling since it's a small size. That's why it's called mini. And guys, the last thing, Laifen's hair dryers known for their strength of the air blow. So you can see right now how it is moving easily a 500 grams metal ball simply by just blowing air into that. How cool is it? So guys, as someone who's always tinkering with gadgets, the Laifen's new Wave Pro electric toothbrush genuinely caught my attention at CES this year. Now, even with electric toothbrushes, it often feels like certain areas never get fully clean. The gum line, tight gaps, and back teeth are easy to miss. And if you try to compensate, you end up brushing too hard and irritating your gums. And now that's what's new and different about the new Wave Pro. Well, instead of just vibrating, it uses a 60-degree oscillation combined with vibration. This motion is designed to naturally follow the dentist's recommended best brushing technique, targeting the gum line without needing to manually angle or scrub. The Wave Pro also features smart pressure monitoring. If you brush too hard, it alerts you, which is especially important for sensitive gums like mine. You get multiple modes including deep clean and daily clean, plus thousands of customizable settings through the app, so the brushing experience adapts to your own needs. You can switch between the modes in the the app and you can choose any possible way of 3 different options for you so it can rotate to any direction and as fast as you will tell it to. The app is honestly such a cool feature, I love it. Laifen is also showing all of the brush heads options here, including the gum care, which feels like petting a very furry, beautiful kitten. I absolutely love touching it. They also have the whitening heads along with a large bristle display that makes it easy to see how the soft tapered bristles stay gentle while still cleaning effectively. It is fully waterproof, which is proved at the booth, which makes it easy to rinse under running water or take it with you to the shower, as well as demonstrated in the sink. And the battery lasts for up to 70 days on one single charge, making it ideal for travel. And now at the new generation of the Wave Pro, they changed the charging way and now it has like this magnetic stand, while before that it had just a magnetic cable. I honestly like both of the ways. After trying it, the biggest takeaway for me is how effortless it feels. But of course, technology doesn't stay at the same place and it always moves ahead. This is the Laifen Wave Pro and it really does make it easy to be a brushing pro. Well guys, I really hope you liked all the products. In general, Laifen's booth is huge, is beautiful, is great. I love all the innovations and all the bright lights. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the booth tour with Laifen. I cannot wait to put my greedy hands on the newest Laifen Wave Pro and I'm so excited. Guys, let me know down below in the comments what do you think, and that's actually all. That was my most favorite brand from the third day of CES 2026. So guys, that was the 3 products that I loved the most. I have seen so much new tech. I've seen such an amazing ideas, different creative solutions, all about making our life better, making our life easy. And of course, everything here it's with AI these days. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. You stay techy. All of the links are going to be down below at the description box to this video of mine. And I'll see you all in my next videos. Love you. Bye.